if you're not doing everything you need to for your emotional health, and in terms of exercise and your physical health, it's going to impede your healing even when your nutrition is perfect. I just finished a session with someone who's really struggling in a lot of ways to get her full health back. The good news is she did my 6-week rapid recovery program and her hypothyroid has been going away. She's able to lower her medication 3 times on her Synthroid. And the way she knew it was time to lower medicine is she started feeling hyperthyroid. And that happens a lot when folks go on my program, the thyroids start to heal. So then their medication dose is too high and they start getting symptoms of hyperthyroid. If that's happening, make sure you go to your doctor so that they can be the one to help you lower your medicine. So that's really good. But she's still struggling with some other issues. And what it really came down to is if you're not doing everything you need to for your emotional health, and in terms of exercise and your physical health, it's going to impede your healing even when your nutrition is perfect. So I'll focus on the emotional health today because I think that's one that affects most people I talk to. If you've been sick a long time, often you do get depression and anxiety. But what a lot of people don't realize is people with depression and anxiety and trauma have much higher rates of autoimmune disease and other illnesses. It really causes a lot of issues within your body, a lot of stress in the body. So if you have high stress, depression, anxiety, trauma, you need to get the right mental health help to get those under control and to start searching for your happiness and your peace. Because as long as you have those conditions, they are creating inflammation. So even if you're eating the perfect diet, you're getting inflammation from your food. So in my group, we work on that a lot in terms of making sure people are doing everything they can to find peace, release their stress, get the right amount of happiness and bliss in their day, as well as getting the right exercise and eating perfectly as well. For those of you who are interested in that level of intensity of a program, my 6-week rapid recovery group is enrolling for June. The May one is still happening right now, but there are spots in June, and you can go to goodbyelupus.com and click on group healing to learn more about that. But whether or not you decide to do an intensive program like that with me, or you're working on this on your own, make sure you're getting the therapeutic help you need and you're doing something to release your stress every day. I talk about self-care a lot, but I see it over and over again that if you don't take care of your emotional health, your physical health will never be what it's supposed to be. So love yourself and take great care of your emotional health.